severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Heard County in west central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blackjack Mountain, or 12 miles southwest of Carrollton, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowdoin, Ephesus, Tyus, and Blackjack Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll, Georgia,